In this video, I will show you how to configure an Allen Bradley Flex I/O module. So first thing to do is you should have the Profibus adapter module, the terminal base module, and your I/O module. So in this case, I'm using the analog output module. So first step is you need to decide what Profibus address you're going to assign on your Profibus adapter module. So default value is 0. So if you want to have a Profibus address, you just press this here and it will change the number. So for example, I'm going to assign this number 2. So after that, you will install your terminal base unit to your communication to your Profibus adapter. So how to do that is here you have a socket here and you have a slot over here. So you need to insert the slot here on your terminal base here like this. Insert. And press here at the side. Push and it will lock. As you can see, now it's fixed. Now how to install the module is simply by inserting your I/O module to your terminal base unit. So you have here a slot. You just insert it here. So another thing to consider is the position of your pin here. It should be at 4. Now I'm pointing it at number 4. So just in case you want to change this, you just rotate this. Here, you can rotate. You can change it to number 6. Change to number 4 here. And simply insert the module. See? And then push until you hear a click sound. It's easy like that.